Before we get into anything, Alexis, I'm gonna read your Miranda warning, okay? And then I will let you know some other stuff. So you have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be used against you in a court of law. You have the right to an attorney. If you cannot afford one, one will be appointed to you. You can decide at any time to exercise these rights and not to answer any questions or make any comments. Having these rights in mind, will you provide a statement? So basically, what the city attorney has said is that to let you know before you make a statement, you know your rights. Also, if you're going to make any false statements about what happened, it is a crime. There's a witness and an officer to what who witnessed what occurred. Okay, so with that in mind, just be mindful of what you say so that you don't get caught in a lie, because like I said, filing a false police report is a crime. Okay, does that make sense, Alexis?
It does.
Is there anything you want to talk about today as far as the incident goes from yesterday?
Yes, like I said, I understand you're talking about the police officer seen something, but there was no domestic violence. I'm not sure why he was arrested on any type of domestic violence, because one, he called the police to have me removed. And I know, like, y'all probably like, why is you coming to her, like, incriminating yourself and saying this, that, and the third? But it's just, like, honestly, he, like, the other charges you guys got on him, I don't know. But the domestic violence charge, like, I would just like to say, like, that's completely false. It wasn't any domestic. There was no hands put on anyone. And, like I said, when a police officer first got out the car, and I think I know what you're talking about, because it was like, I just seen you push her. He did not push me. It's because, like I said, I may be incriminating myself, but I was picking up bricks to throw at the home because I had just got put out, I was just upset, and I'm homeless. I have nowhere to go. My family's all the way in St. Louis. So I was acting erratic. I mean, I got locked up as well, as y'all know. So I was acting erratic, and when the officer got out of the car, he didn't push me. He was going to get the brick from out of my hand. And then we didn't even see the police officer pull up, one. And then that's when the police officer got out of the car and was like, I just seen you push her. And I would like to say, I don't know who the officer was, like, at all. I don't know who the officer was,